So students, this much for the day. This is not the entire chapter. Just now I told you more to teach you, more to study. So on the basis of today's lecture or on the basis of today's lesson, you note down 5 questions. What are minerals? Question number 2. How many kinds of minerals are found on earth? How many kinds of minerals are found on earth? Question 3. Give any 2 examples of non-metallic minerals. Give any 2 examples of non-metallic minerals. What is digging? And question 5. What is quarrying? Quarrying. What is quarrying? So guys, this much for the day. You will answer or solve all the 5 questions. If you have heard my lecture with full attention, if you have noted down the points, whatever I have discussed with you, that ferrous, non-ferrous, metallic, non-metallic, minerals, what is the term meant by digging, mining and quarrying, it will be easier for you to answer all these 5 questions. So, till then, students, stay home, stay safe, God bless you, bye-bye.